Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a Word document on your laptop. This process allows you to quickly add your unique signature to any digital file, completely eliminating the need for printing, manual signing, and then scanning it back in. We will guide you through preparing your signature, precisely inserting it into your document, and then ensuring it is saved in a secure, unalterable format. This makes document handling much more efficient for your daily tasks and professional needs. First, you need a digital version of your signature. One effective way is to sign your name clearly on a plain white piece of paper, then take a high-resolution photograph of it with your phone. Once on your laptop, use a simple image editor to crop the image very closely around your signature, ensuring a transparent background if possible. Another option is using the Draw tab in Word or a stylus to sketch your signature directly onto the screen. This preparation is key for a clean, professional look. Now, let us insert that digital signature into your Word document. Begin by opening your document and clicking exactly where you want the signature to be positioned. Go to the Insert tab in the top menu bar and then choose Pictures to select your prepared signature image file. If you need a more formal signature line, Word offers a built-in signature line feature under the text group in the Insert tab, which creates a designated space for your electronic signature and provides options for signer details. Choose the method that best fits your document's requirements. Once your signature is in the document, you will likely need to adjust its size and position. Click on the signature to activate the image formatting tools and corner handles. Drag these handles inward or outward to resize the signature so it looks natural, perhaps about 1.5 inches wide. To move it freely without affecting your text, right-click the signature, select Wrap Text, and then choose In Front of Text. This crucial step allows you to drag and drop your signature precisely where you want it on the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.